Hi there all you Glad Girls. Today I am coming at you with an unboxing of our GladGirl Aftercare TLC kit. This kit is such a good idea if you want to give your clients a thank you for all of the support that they give you this Valentine's Day season with this kit. This can also be retailed to your clients as well so that they can go home with everything that they need to keep their lashes nice, clean, and healthy in between those fills. So let's jump on into this video and take a look at what you'll get in your TLC kit. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this kit. First up, you are going to find our black coating sealant. I love this sealant. I actually retail this to my clients on its own because I believe in this product that much. So basically what you do with this bad boy here is you just have your clients brush it on their lashes 1 to 2 times a week. It's black, so it gives them a really nice dark look. You could tell them that they could go ahead and put this on their lashes before a night out or before work, so it gives their lashes that really dark, nice look, and it helps the lashes stay on in between sets. So this is perfect for your aftercare TLC. Next up in this kit is one of my favorites. You guys all know this. This is the Wash and Wink Conditioner. This is our Lash Shampoo. This is by far one of the best things that you can retail to your clients. They need to be washing their lashes, if not every day, every other day, depending on how heavy of makeup they wear. This is really, really important. If they're going to buy anything, if they don't get the TLC kit, this is what they need to get. But if they get this kit, then they already have it. And to go with that, I'm going to reach in this kit, and it also comes with our little eyelash shampoo brush. So this is a really fluffy brush, very dense. They just put this Wash and Wink conditioner right on the brush, give their lashes a really good cleaning, and they are all good to go. In this kit, they are also going to get a aftercare instructions card. This is a really good idea to give your clients so that if they ever forget anything that you've told them about aftercare, they can just go ahead and look right at this card and everything they need to know is right there. And then last but not least, let me get this open. This is just adorable. I would love this just as a lash artist as well, but it says I love lashes on it. It's a little keychain. It is absolutely adorable. And this is just such a cute little thank you to all of your clients. And then on top of that, of course, they get this super, super cute bag. It can be used as a makeup bag. And there you have it, Glad Girls. That is what you will get in your Aftercare TLC kit. So go ahead and grab a couple of them, give them to those clients that you want to thank the most, and have a beautiful, wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye-bye, lash lovers. See you next time.